Introducing the 2020 Dodge Journey. On road trips or the daily drive, the Journey has you covered with third-row seating, advanced safety features, cargo capacity, and technology that keeps you connected and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't compromise on performance to get third-row seating. Get into the Journey.